Let's create a one-pole textured collage on my gel plate.
Hi, it's Dave, and I'm going to work with collage today. It's going to involve working with my gel plate, and it's all going to go down on the gel plate. So that's the plan. That's what we're going to try for. Let's see how this goes. I'm going to be doing some cutouts. I'm going to be doing some things here and some collage work. So I'm going to put you on. I'm going to put you on music. I'll talk to you somewhere during the middle, and definitely come back at the end. So let's get started. Okay, well, it seems to be dry, so let's take a look and see what we got here. Let's go slow. Okay, talk about this. I'm not unhappy with this. I got a lot of texture, I got a lot of see-through. You can see where different layers are. It's a interesting hole for sure. A little bit of red was the addition, but I was hoping it would stick out a little bit more. That's my heart here. Say 1, and 2. So some of them got swallowed. That's okay, it's part of the texture. I don't think this is a failure at all. What I'll do next is look at this is just a gesso board. Affix it to the board. Should fit just perfectly. And we'll call it good. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere it to the board now, so it can dry overnight, and I'll show you the final product in the morning. Okay, it's done. So if I attach it to the board, which I think if you saw that, it's glued down, so it's not going to go anywhere. Because this was painted on the gel plate, I don't have to worry about this canvas board warping. So it's got a little bit of warp in there, but it's not bad. And I think I could easily take this and put it into a frame, and it would do really well. Am I in love with this piece? I think it could grow on me. I don't really have a place for it in the house, so I'll have to find a new home for it. But that's okay. Let's talk about what we have here. You can see it now that it's dry. I've got some foil that I put in here, and that came out okay. I'm gonna go get some better foil for this use. I had to tell you that this concept came from Froyle. She did one for her New Year's, first one back from New Year's, and this is similar to what she did. And so, am I happy with it? I am happy with the outcome. It showed me that I can do a piece entirely on the gel plate, all done on the gel plate. Is that liberating? I think it can grow on me. I think it's going to be one of those things that ends up becoming a regular my technique. So I hope that you found this useful today. If so, if you could give me a thumbs up, maybe leave a comment. I do answer all questions, and if you have a friend that you think might benefit from this, go ahead and share. It does help with the algorithm and helps grow the channel, and costs you absolutely nothing. So this has been Thursday Train. Just before me you saw Gert of Gert Creates. Then after me is going to be either Janice or Julie, and then Adrian Corey with Art's Really Cool. I know that Julie has a piece this week, and so I think we got most of the gang here this week, if not all. So let's make sure we see what they have to do. And other than that, that's it for me today. Bye for now.